I'm Matthew Sokolov, and this is my Mindfulness for Beginners series or playlist or whatever it may be. And I want to introduce the idea of feeling tone. It's called vedana in Buddhism, but I'm going to use the word feeling tone here. And this is a core concept or practice in meditation, Buddhist meditation, mindfulness meditation. It's one of the things we're called to be mindful of. And feeling tone is not feeling or emotion. It is the nature of an experience or a sensation to be either pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. So, as an example, you might be sitting in meditation and have some discomfort in your lower back, and you notice the sensation, and you notice unpleasant. Maybe you have a thought about what's for dinner and it feels kind of pleasant. Maybe you feel the feet on the floor and it's neutral. This is a core part of experience that's happening just constantly in daily life. A lot of stuff is neutral and we don't pay much attention to it. Often the more strong sensations of pleasant and unpleasant are the ones that grab our attention more easily. And this matters for several reasons when it comes to mindfulness practice. First, we can observe things like impermanence. Something's pleasant and there's a pleasant kind of feeling there, and then it subsides. Just like everything else, it's impermanent. And feeling tone can serve as a powerful kind of jumping off point to see reactions. Let's go back to that pain in the lower back while meditating. There's the contact or sensation, right? Where we feel the pain in the back. There's the feeling tone of it being unpleasant. And unpleasant feeling tones often lead to what is called aversion in the mind. We want to get rid of it or get away from it. It may come up as a thought of moving or adjusting, or maybe not even a thought. Sometimes it's just a reaction. It happens before we can even recognize the thought. Pleasant things often give way to craving and clinging. We experience something pleasant and we want more of it. We lean toward it. And neutral things often lead to some boredom or disinterest. So by tuning into feeling tones, we can begin to see this kind of process of experience, the sensation, maybe it's a sound or a feeling in the body or a thought or a taste or a smell or a sight. There's a feeling tone, and then there's a mental reaction that's often deeply tied to the feeling tone. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.